So reigning world T20 champions, the West Indies, begin their title defense against England tomorrow. And the West Indies, along with England, Australia, South Africa, are all in a 6-team group of death with only 2 teams to advance to the semi-final. And look, me not jumping the gun. I think we should look first at the West Indies getting out of this group before we even think about winning back the title. And right now, getting out of this group will be a massive challenge for the West Indies. Our batting, while potentially explosive and theoretically dangerous, is not ticking. The likes of Lewis, Gale, Pollard, Poran, Hetmar, Russell can be match winners on their day, but their form is shaky. Plus, our bowling is ordinary, with the possible exception of Dwayne Bravo. All our West Indies bowler them work with the airline industry. Them ball are going to travel many miles. We played 2 practice games against Pakistan and against Afghanistan, and we lose the 2 of them on a canter. And look, I want us all to rally around the West Indies, but right now, I cannot see the West Indies leaving this group, much less win back them title. I cannot see it. I can't see it. I cannot see it. You can see it? I cannot see it. I cannot see it. I cannot. You see it?